Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Let's talk about latest IMUCT updates in 2023. So first of all, number of questions in the IMUCT exam will be 200 questions asked. Syllabus will be English, General Aptitude, Physics, Chemistry, Maths. IMUCT giving IMUCT is mandatory for BTech, BE Marine Engineering exams, BSc Nautical Science taking additional diploma in Nautical Science, or BTech for Naval Architecture and Ocean Engineering. We all know this, right? Let's move ahead. IMCT important dates. Date of commencement of online registration has already started. This is 14th April. So IMCT form you guys can fill up. Last date for online registration is 18th May 2023. Hall ticket can be downloaded by the candidate for on 26th May 2023. Without this, you cannot go and get the exam. Date of IMCT is 10th June 2023. And date for publication of results on IMCT website is 19th June 2023. Let's move ahead. Is IMUCT conducted twice a year? Right, this is one of the questions. Earlier, the IMUCT was being conducted twice a year. That was once in June and another in December. But in 2023, a notice has come in that the IMUCT will be conducted only in June 2023. It won't be conducted in December 2023. Now, what does that mean? That means that now, for all those people who are less than 17 years and who thought that they will not be able to apply in June 2023, they should also apply because their IMUCT rank will be valid for December 2023 as well, which is not being conducted. But DNS is happening. So with that IMUCT rank that you have, you can go for sponsorship test of various shipping companies which are coming in the month of December 2023. So challenges वही same रहने वाले हैं. हम चाहे IMUCT की तैयारी कर रहे थे और we were preparing for sponsorship. It was all about basic concepts, communication skills and everything, right? So first thing is have a good IMUCT rank. That is very important. And everyone should give IMUCT exam this time itself. चाहे आप 17 years के हो चाहे नहीं हो, चाहे आपकी तैयारी है कि नहीं है. Else एक साल का गैप आ सकता है. This is really very important and you all need to know. Let's move ahead. IMUCT rank certificate. Now, once you have given your IMUCT exam and once the results are declared, then you will get after conduct of IMUCT will issue rank certificate to qualified candidates in CET. So, once the results are declared on 19 June, after that this IMUCT rank certificate will be generated, which is essential for admission to courses of IMU and its affiliated institute. So, कल को even if you have got sponsorship of Anglo, Synergy, Scorpio or BSc Nautical Science Tolani, this rank certificate is very important because without this rank certificate, you cannot join any of these colleges. This is what you have to know. Now, IMUCT exam is being conducted on 10th June 2023 from 11 AM to 1 PM in following cities. Agra, Bhopal, Cochin, Kanpur, Kota, Ahmedabad, Allahabad, Bangalore, Bhubaneswar, Chandigarh, Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Lucknow, Coimbatore, Dehradun, Hyderabad, Faridabad, Guwahati, Jaipur, Madurai, Meerut, मुंबई, नागपुर, नोएडा, पटना, पुणे, रायपुर, रांची, शिमला, सिलीगुड़ी, श्रीनगर, त्रिवेंद्रम, बनारस, विशाखापट्टनम and Muzaffarpur. So these are the places where IMUCT is being conducted. Are improvement open board candidates eligible for IMUCT exam? When I talk about improvement, अब मैं बताता हूँ, there was a circular. ये circular was released on 21st January 2016 by Indian Maritime University. So इस सर्कुलर में बोला गया द अकेडमिक काउंसिल इन इट्स 14th मीटिंग हेल्ड ऑन 20th November 2015 resolved to accept candidates who have passed their class 12th examination under the NIOS for admission to IMUs since NIOS is one of the among the school boards approved by the Ministry of HRD Human Resource Development Government of India. So उन्होंने बोला अगर किसी बच्चे ने he has given his class 12 boards from NIOS with science side with PCM getting more than 60%, in English in 10th or 12th more than 50%, then this person can give IMUCT exam. Copy it. Next, the academic council also resolved to accept improvement candidates, that is those who had secured less than 60% marks overall in PCM in class 12th examination and had taken the examination again in order to improve their marks and secured more than 60% in PCM. So उन्होंने बोला suppose किसी बच्चे ने he got 59%, so he said I'll give my maths exam again as an improvement because my maths I got just 48 marks. So he gives improvement exam. Maybe in the month of October, November, August, depending on the board that is, or next year. So this depends on board to board. Copied? He gives improvement exams, he clears it, he gets PCM percent. Now his PCM percentage becomes more than 60. Then also this person can give his IMUCT exam. Second thing he said that compartmental candidates, कैसी बच्चा कोई बच्चा fail हो गया है, that boy has got compartment. If that person also gives the exam for improvement, that is those who failed in one or more subjects in class 12 and had appeared in the examination again and passed, subject to condition. अब ये important है कि अगर किसी बच्चे का कंपार्टमेंट आया, फेल हुआ, वापस एग्जाम दिया एंड ही क्लियर्स दैट एग्जाम विद PCM more than 60%, again he is eligible for IMUCT exam. But there is a condition, and that condition is that the improvement or compartment candidates should have reappeared in the examination conducted by the same board. That means suppose you are from Maharashtra board and आपने बोला जी मेरे मैथ्स में कम आया, you went for improvement from Maharashtra board in maths and you did clear that, you got more marks, PCM, you are eligible. CBSE board you had less marks, you gave in the CBSE board you gave improvement, चलेगा. Some state boards do not believe in improvement, you have to repeat the exam again, so you have to know that as well. Copied? But on the other hand, if you have given, say you have given your CBSE, if you have done your 12th from PCM in CBSE board, maths में marks कम आए, you said okay maths का improvement यार, why should I give from CBSE board, I'll give from open board, and then you give only maths exam from NOIS, you will not be entertained. Copied? So या तो वो पूरा NIOS it is or completely NIOS, or it is completely improvement but from the same board. In such a case, every student who is giving improvement exams or repeating, they should also side by side go for NIOS as well for a backup. This is what I suggest. And on the other hand, always keep working hard so that you get good marks. I also believe personally that बहुत लोग कहते हैं सर आई एम एन एवरेज स्टूडेंट, आई एम एन एवरेज स्टूडेंट. मैं कहता हूँ आपने पढ़ाई नहीं करी तो आप एवरेज क्या, बिलो एवरेज भी हो गए. Tell me one person who studies 14 hours and still is getting less than 60%. No, very few. Maybe rare of the rare. So you are not average. You are not studying hard. That's it. So I think this funda is clear today. And with this, all I can say is best wishes from my end. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai